Welcome everyone to the CSL Lab of KLM International School, Pathankot. Myself, Jatin Salaria, the Senior Coordinator of KLM International School, and I take immense pride on taking you to the virtual tour of our CSL Lab. Well, we are the first one in the entire district to bring this type of lab into the city, and especially at the school level, it has become very mandatory because NEP 2020 has made it compulsory for the school education to equip students with such type of skills. And I feel very grateful that we have our management who is always anxious, who is always curious to bring new additions and new things into the curriculum system to make our students more smart, more creative and more innovative. In this lab, the students, they are going to cross the boundaries of learning. It is very important for them to cross the educational boundaries of the textbooks and to start thinking and to start working on the skills that are very important for their future ahead. So keeping that in mind, we are going to introduce this lab from the very coming month, and in this our students will be making around 12 projects in an year, and we'll be showing them the projects to their parents and to the entire city through an exhibition. Our students would be making spacecrafts, they would be learning about the robots, they would be making the satellites, they will be working on the wind tunnel and many more. We'll be introducing 3D printing and 3D learning machines to them. So I'm very positive and I'm very optimistic that this is going to bring a revolution in the kind of the education we are providing, and I assure you that we'll be bringing many such initiatives in the future. At last, I would conclude that whatever you are seeing through this video, it is not a laboratory. It is a birthplace. I'll repeat, it is a birthplace of the future innovators that KLM is going to produce. Thank you.